Today, we welcome back Prince George's County State's Attorney Tara Jackson. Great to see you in studio.
Good afternoon.
All right, so let's begin with that recent sentencing, the case of Corey Klingman, who pleaded guilty in a crash that killed 3 people, including an NFL rookie. I know there was a lot of talk about the sentencing that she received, roughly about 3 years.
That's correct.
What is your response to those who may suggest that they thought she deserved a longer sentence? What are the factors that go into consideration when determining a sentence like that?
There's so many factors. First of all, as you know, that was a horrific accident, and really no sentence is going to bring healing to the family. But the crime that she pled guilty to was a crime not involving intentionality, but a crime involving reckless behavior. So with those types of crimes where someone doesn't intend to kill, the sentence is always going to be less than where someone actually goes out.
And was that something you felt you had to explain to the community over and over?
Well, no, not really. We did explain it to the community, and I realized that 3 years with lives, 3 lives being lost, sounds like it is not a just sentence, but the judge who sentenced Ms. Klingman took a variety of factors into account. Unfortunately, both cars were speeding at the same time, though Ms. Klingman did cause the accident by drinking and driving over 100 miles per hour. The judge, I'm sure, took Ms. Klingman's lack of history into account, her demonstrated remorse during the sentencing. So there were a variety of factors that the court always takes into account when sentencing. But again, no sentence is going to bring the kind of healing that that family needs.
I know you have a campaign to raise awareness to prevent incidents like that from happening in the first place. All right, let's pivot now to talk about the impact of ICE in Prince George's County. How is your office collaborating with ICE?
Well, we don't. We don't collaborate with ICE, nor does the Prince George's County Police Department. In fact, there is a local law that prevents us from collaborating with ICE. But we're concerned. We're concerned about what we're seeing nationwide as well as in our community, because the fact of the matter is that we spend a lot of time in the community trying to establish trust, trying to make sure that people understand that we in the prosecutor's office are here to advocate for victims and to make sure that we're able to bring justice to this community. And you know, when folks are scared to come to court because they think that ICE may show up and snatch them, they're not going to report crimes. They're not going to want to be witnesses in cases that are critical to keeping this community safe.
Have you seen that already?
We have. In fact, our victim witness coordinators spend a lot of time trying to comfort some of our residents, some of our witnesses, and encourage them. And frankly, you know, trying to tell them that they're going to be okay. But the reality is we don't know, because we don't know what exactly ICE is doing in our community.
So there really are no true assurances.
That's right. That's right.
So what about, I know in other jurisdictions there's been a lot of collaboration with other states' attorneys trying to figure out ways to encourage, if that's the appropriate word to use, law enforcement agents in ICE to follow the same types of guidelines that every other law enforcement agency does. And I know there's been a putting together of heads to figure out how they could potentially prosecute excessive force. Is that something your office is looking into?
Well, let me say this. Law enforcement, local law enforcement, we have a difficult job to do.
Right.
And but we do it with the community. There's no way that we can see the decline in crime that we saw last year without the help of the community. And so as I said before, it really is, it's a serious issue. As it relates to prosecuting crimes, if you're talking about if ICE comes into the community and commits a crime, what I can say is we're not going to turn our head if we see that any crime is committed in Prince George's County. And we would, if that were the case, demand a full investigation, and we would want to be privy to that investigation. There's something wrong with having the federal government lead an investigation like we saw in Minnesota and not involving local law enforcement, because we're the ones that are with the people every day, and they look to us to protect them. And so there's a serious issue there when you don't involve local law enforcement.
Are there any active steps that you're taking now to guard against something like that from happening in our community?
Just to continue to build trust with the community. And really, we're asking our federal officers to let us know if you're in the community. Oftentimes, people are being taken off of the streets, and we can't, and then they call us. Well, when I say us, they call the police department, and they want to know, was that ICE? Who was that just snatched someone off the streets? And we're just not getting the communication that we need to make sure that we can continue to keep this community safe.
Are you seeing impacts also at local schools?
I have not seen any, but I have heard. But I haven't confirmed that there have been any incidents at local schools.
All right, State's Attorney Tara Jackson, thank you so much for joining us today.
Thank you.
All right, still ahead here